What are you gonna do? You gonna get in there? So I cleaned it up for you, and I made it work again. So you have to push on the pedal. Whoa! Sit on this side over here. Sit on the side, this side, like a driver. There you go. Nope, put your leg over on this side. You sit on this side. Somebody else sits on, you sit over here. Don't put that between your legs, sit over here on the seat. Ugh. There you go. Now put your right foot on the pedal. There you go. Can you steer? Whoa, can you turn the wheel so you go out in the yard? Turn right. There you go. Now push the pedal again. Whoa! There he goes. Look, you're driving. Your hat is on funny too, huh? Whoop. Point to the front. There we go, little fedora wearer. Yeah, you want to do it again? Whoa, hold on to that steering wheel. You might fall out. Zoom. Yeah. Look at you driving. Can you drive it? Can you drive on the grass? Turn where you want to go. Okay, don't crash the tree. Don't stop pushing. I'll come and help.